Tucked away in heart of nature, this sleek off-grid tiny house is the perfect escape from the modern world. With its bold black exterior, minimalist design, and a cozy wooden deck, it blends seamlessly into the surrounding oak and pine forest. Imagine waking up here, surrounded by nothing but greenery and fresh air. Let's take a closer look at this incredible tiny home. Alright, here we go. We were stepping inside in this modern compact cabin, and wow, even though it's small space, the design feels super stylish and functional. The first thing that stands out to me is that completely flat ceiling, no slope, no angle, just a clean horizontal layout that makes the space feel really structured and modern. And check this out, those raised windows are such a smart touch. They bring in natural light without taking away too much wall space, making the room feel bright and airy while keeping this cozy. The white ceiling also helps reflect light, balancing out the dark walls. And speaking of the walls, this dark hue, possibly black or deep gray, creates such a sleek and moody vibe. And with those large windows, I think in natural light, the contrast is just perfect. It's giving off a modern yet intimate atmosphere, making the cabin feel like a high-end retreat despite its compact size. Now let's check out this kitchen. It's small but super efficient. The layout is simple and clean, with just enough counter space to cook comfortably. I love how the design keeps everything minimal while still providing all the essential. And the best part, you can cook while enjoying the view through those windows. And here's something I always appreciate in tiny space, stairs leading up to the loft bed. Instead of a ladder, having a proper stairway make it feel more like a real home. It's practical, stylish, and honestly makes the loft area feel much more accessible. And wow, this loft bed setup is so cozy. It's stuck right above the main living space, giving you a little separation while still keeping everything open. The elevated view of the room and the windows make this space feel much bigger than it actually is. And of course, no cabin is complete without a little relaxation spot. This lounge table and chair setup is simple but effective, perfect for having coffee, working on a laptop, or just soaking in the peaceful atmosphere. The large window here really make a difference. Everything about this space is so well balanced. The dark walls create a cozy, stylish ambience, while the large windows and wide ceiling keep it from feeling too closed in. The use of space is so efficient, nothing feels wasted, and every detail adds to the modern aesthetic. Okay, alright, let's step into this modern concept bathroom. And wow, it's small space. Even though it's small space, the design is so sleek and well thought out. The first thing I notice is that completely flat ceiling, no slopes, no angle, just clean, white, horizontal design that make the space feel structured and balanced. And check this out, the straight windows are such a smart choice. They bring a plenty of natural light without sacrificing privacy, making the bathroom feel bright and open. And the white ceiling helps reflect even more light, which is a great contrast to the darker walls. Speaking of contrast, this dark walls, possibly black or a deep gray, add a such stylish modern touch. And with those large windows, the natural light keeps the space from feeling too enclosed. It's a perfect mix of moody and elegant. And okay, it's this is absolutely stunning bathtub right by the window. Just imagine soaking in here while enjoying the view outside. It's like having a spa experience right in your own cabin. The combination modern design of and natural scenery makes this feel so luxurious. Okay, and now even in small space like this, they've made sure to include everything you need. The toilet is modern and minimal, and I love that they've installed an exhaust fan to keep the air fresh. It's a little detail that make a big difference in a compact design like this. Look at this vanity area, so clean and sleek. The dark walls make the mirror stand out beautifully, and the white sink keeps everything looking fresh and modern. I also love how the mirror reflect lights, making the space feel even larger than it actually is. And even though this bathroom is compact, it doesn't feel cramped at all. And the smart use of raised window, reflective surface, and well-placed lighting really opens up the space. Everything is designed with both function and aesthetic in mind, which is so important in small home. Okay, and honestly, this is one of the most stylish and efficient compact bathroom I've ever seen. And the modern aesthetic, the perfect balance of dark light and light tones, and that bathtub with a view, it's just amazing. What do you think, guys? Would you love to have the bathroom like this in your dream home? Okay, well, between the exterior and some of the interiors that have present just now only focus on the theme of material and color composition. This does not mean that there is a correlation regarding the position of openings and synchronized layout between the exterior and also the interior. However, this is the design inspiration that I present with the hope of being able to give all of you useful ideas and inspiration. And all right, what do you think, guys? Would you stay in this modern compact cabin? And personally, I love how well the space is designed, small but stylish and super functional. And let me know your thoughts in the comment below. And thanks for watching. And thanks for enjoying this video until the end. And just wait for my next video and have a good day.